So guys, kung isa kang gusto magbalot, no? Pwede sa home service or pwede mo anhe dari dapit sa Akbang sa Barrio Lumbalay. Kailan mo na si Brasi Pancho, no? Sponsored by Brasi Pancho ang mga ngalot karon. Wala na, oh wow, ini ko ano, the whole time may yung walot si Brasi. Ako anong buhok repair sunod. Akin yung mga yung unak ko. Wala, kapit siya. Wala naman.
can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Don't you love when we take our time? Make love, I'll see you on the waste of time. Bathtub, we don't gotta rush now. Nothing in a rush now. Last in slow mo, always in a slow mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment. You got me running. Know I hold us up. Let me know what you want to think. Got me.
Sige, sumanami og alot. Tawa. Gapo na kayo, men.
No, hindi na siya membro sa palito.
Ano to? Isang alot na to? Si... Wala na. Basta si Brasi Pancho, mo na yung alot mo. Sponsor karong buntaga sa among haircut. Thank you so much. And kung gusto mo mapalot, pwede mo manhid dito. Pwede mo mag-home service.